Let's talk about what's happening in the parliament today. The suspension of 12 unruly MPs from parliament continues to be a huge flashpoint, with Rajya Sabha beginning the session on a stormy note today. The Rajya Sabha chairperson Venkaiah Naidu hit out at MPs over ruckus, and the House was adjourned for the day after multiple adjournments. Earlier suspended MPs began the dharna outside parliament, which was attended by Rahul Gandhi, among others. Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge wrote a letter to Naidu on behalf of the suspended MPs, calling the move unprecedented and excessive action, adding that MPs should be given a chance to present their case. Naidu has already rejected the demand to revoke the suspension and said House will rethink if MPs expressed remorse for assaulting Rajya Sabha staff and lowering the dignity of the House. But suspended MPs have rejected this suggestion, saying that they are not going to be issuing any apology. Some opposition parties, barring Congress, have threatened to boycott the entire winter session if the suspensions are not revoked.
Coming to the well of these placards will not be shown. I cannot allow this. I cannot allow this. This will not go on record. And I hope that this will be shown to the people what is being done in this house. It's a sacrilege of the house. I have said there is no remorse. There is no remorse of the members who have really insulted parliamentary system. Coming to the well of the house, climbing at the table, throwing the papers, snatching papers from the minister, and then also here challenging the chair, doing everything which is unparliamentary, undemocratic, and they have no remorse. What can we do? This is not the way. These placards will not be shown, should not be brought into the House. I advise the members, if you are determined, you don't want to have 0 hour very important issues. 10 important issues are there, special mentions are there. You don't want special mentions, you don't want 0 hour, you don't want House to run. Crores of rupees are being spent on this House, and people are getting dismayed for what is happening in this House.
9 तारीख को, 10 तारीख को मानसून सेशन में अगस्त में हुआ और 11 तारीख को वो अनप्रेसिडेंटेड है और ब्लैक हिस्ट्री है. दे वर द ब्लैक डेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री इन द डेमोक्रेसी. इन द एल्डर हाउस इट नेवर हैपेंड सो दे शुड इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट नकली गांधी पे कॉल के वो पूज्य महात्मा गांधी जी के स्टैच्यू के सामने बैठना ये तो बहुत हास्यास्पद है. इट इज रिडिकुलस.
कानून के तहत अपनी लड़ाई लड़ना, और हमने इसमें बताया है कि अपने लेटर में कि कानून के तहत ये जो सस्पेंशन हुआ ये ठीक नहीं है, ये माफीनामा नहीं होगा. हम उनसे विनती कर रहे हैं, जो हुआ वो हुआ है, वो भूल जाइए. सब मिलके देश के हित में, जनता के हित में काम करेंगे.
हम आज़ादी के 75वां साल अमृत महोत्सव बना रहे हैं. उस समय पे पार्लियामेंट डेमोक्रेसी का हनन करना और किसी तरीके से विपक्ष को नहीं सुनना, उसके खिलाफ ही प्रोटेस्ट है. अनडेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस जो हो रहा है उसके खिलाफ ही प्रोटेस्ट है.
ये उस मेजॉरिटी का एरोगेंस है. जब वो अपोजिशन में थे तब वो भी डिसरप्शन कर रहे थे, तब ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ. पीपल ऑफ बंगाल हैज सेड देम गुड बाय. We hope 2024 election in center, the people of our country will say them goodbye.
No question of apologizing, no question of bowing to the dictates of this fascist government. We will be raising these issues again and again in the parliament, because we are in the parliament to raise the issues that concern the people of our country.
We are protesting against the anti-people legislations and anti-people policies of the BJP government. We will not surrender before that.
They are trying to kill the spirit of dissent, discussion and debates in the House. That's why that mistake was done by the government. The crime is theirs.
We will be protesting here until and unless this illegal suspension is withdrawn.